10 reasons why you should eat an entire avocado every day. There is no doubt that avocados are one of the most nutritious and versatile fruits on the planet, so it is no wonder that they are all the rage worldwide. 1. Robust nutritional profile. A single serving of avocados contains more than 20 vitamins and minerals. Specifically, it provides the following daily values: 21% potassium, 25% of vitamin C, 30% folate, and 39% vitamin K. 2. Healthy fats. Avocados are packed with healthy fats which provide a wide range of benefits, from reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke to lowering bad cholesterol levels. 3. Cholesterol reduction. As mentioned above, avocados contain healthy fats which keep cholesterol levels in check, meaning they maintain good cholesterol and lower the bad one. 4. Diabetes prevention. Avocados are extremely beneficial for diabetics, as they are great at regulating insulin and blood glucose levels. 5. Weight loss. Regular consumption of half an avocado a day has been found to increase satiety and keep you full for 5 hours after the meal. 6. Pregnancy. Avocados are packed with vitamin B6, potassium, folate, and vitamin C, all of which are required by both the mother and the growing baby during pregnancy. 7. Bone health. Vitamin K is known to aid in the absorption of calcium in the body, which is critical for bone health. And, guess what? Avocados are packed with vitamin K. 8. Eye health. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthine, carotenoids which are essential for eye health. Regular consumption of avocados promotes healthy vision and prevents eye dysfunction and eye damage. 9. Blood pressure. The high potassium content of avocados keeps blood pressure levels in check, relieves the tension in the blood vessel walls, and gets rid of excess sodium. 10. Absorption of nutrients. Last but not least, regular consumption of avocados assists in the absorption of essential carotenoids, such as alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, lutein, and lycopene. Here are a few tips by Dr. Josh Axe on how to boost your avocado intake. First, make sure the avocado is ripe. The best way to tell is to squeeze the avocado, which should give a firm, but gentle, yield to pressure. Use it as a fat replacement in baking. Dice it as a nice topping for your soups or bone broth. Put it in the food processor to make dessert whips, puddings, smoothies, and countless other recipes. Mash or whip it until completely smooth for a baby's first food instead of processed food in a Gerber jar. Put it on top of a salad. Use it in making homemade guacamole. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share.